Hello and welcome to this video on travel credit cards. Are you tired of paying full price for your travel expenses? If so, a travel credit card may be just what you need to help you save money on your travels. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of using a travel credit card, how to choose the right card for you, and what you need to know to get the most out of your card. One of the biggest benefits of using a travel credit card is the rewards you can earn. Many travel credit cards offer points or miles for every dollar you spend on your card. These rewards can be redeemed for flights, hotels, hotel stays, car rentals, and more. Another benefit of using a travel credit card is the sign-up bonuses many of them offer. If you're new to travel credit cards, you can often earn a large number of points or miles just for signing up for a card and meeting the minimum spend requirement. This can be a great way to start earning rewards right away. Travel credit cards also come with a variety of travel benefits. For example, many travel credit cards offer travel insurance, which can protect you in the event of trip cancellations or delays. Some travel credit cards also offer airport lounge access, which can provide you with a quiet, comfortable place to relax and recharge before your flight. And many travel credit cards offer free checked bags, which can save you money on checked baggage fees. One of the great things about travel credit cards is the flexibility they offer. With a travel credit card, you have the freedom to book travel with any airline or hotel that accepts credit cards. This means you can choose the best options for your travels, regardless of which airline or hotel you prefer. Travel credit cards are also accepted globally, so you can use them on your travels wherever you go. Whether you're traveling to a different country for business or for pleasure, your travel credit card will be a convenient and reliable way to pay for your expenses. Finally, many travel credit cards come with zero liability protection, which means you are not responsible for unauthorized charges made to your card. This can provide peace of mind when you're traveling, as you won't have to worry about fraud or unauthorized charges. So, now that you know some of the benefits of using a travel credit card, how do you choose the right one for you? First, consider your travel habits. If you travel frequently, a card that offers rewards for flights or hotels may be the best option for you. If you travel less frequently, a card that offers rewards for everyday expenses may be a better fit. Next, consider the rewards and benefits offered by each card. Look for a card that offers rewards and benefits that are valuable to you. For example, if you value travel insurance, look for a card that offers travel insurance as a benefit. Finally, consider any fees or costs associated with the card. Some travel credit cards have annual fees, so make sure you understand the costs of the card before you apply. In conclusion, travel credit cards can be a great way to save money on your travels and enjoy additional benefits. By considering your travel habits, the rewards and benefits offered by each card, and any fees or costs associated with the card, you can find the right travel credit card for your needs. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think about the right travel credit card is. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and information. See you in the next one.